loves, today we're going to play with some makeup, some new, some old. I like doing this. I like trying a few new things because I really can't afford to buy a ton of new stuff at once, though we do have a bunch of new e.l.f. stuff coming, which I'm really excited about. But we're just going to jump in, start playing with stuff. We're finally going to play with the CoverGirl all of this stuff. And then I do have this newer Morphe 35i Icy Fantasy palette. I purchased this right before all of that drama, so I just want a pastel eyeshadow. Let's just keep going. I don't want any drama in this video. No drama. Just love. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and jump in. Please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more. Yeah, okay, let's do this. All three of my cats are in here right now, and they're digging around, and they are playing, so don't mind them. Did I sleep in this shirt? Yes. Is it the most comfortable shirt ever? Yes. It's huge and I love it and it's comfy. So I'm just gonna wear it right now because honestly, we're past the point of really caring right now. My hair is fading. I am trying to decide if I want to change the color because I had a plan for what I was gonna do as soon as my roots grew out, but the world had a different idea. So until I can get help from my beautiful friend who is going to help me do a shadow root and go back blonde, I might change my color. Let me know if you guys want me to film it if I do my roots and change my color. We'll see. Anyway, let's just start putting makeup on. Because I'm using a new foundation slash BB cream, whatever you want to call the Skin Milk. So this is one of my favorite primers ever, so we're going to go ahead and use this one because I know how it works on my skin. This is the Featherweight Primer from Revolution Pro. Anyone else hit Crazy Town? Because I'm there. We're there. So how's it going? How are you doing? I'm gonna add a little extra just because I know when it comes to like a dewier foundation, my pores really show up. And I'm not about that life, so we're just gonna pile that on there because that's my business. CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk. I'm thinking that I'm going to need to mix these. These are the two lightest shades. I'm gonna mix them. We're gonna see how this goes. So I am mixing Fair and Porcelain. Porcelain is the lighter shade. That's Fair, that's Porcelain. See? Yeah, I definitely think an in-between shade is gonna be pretty much perfect. So we're just gonna mix them. And I know usually with BB creams, you are supposed to, are there little bits in there or something? Feels like there's little pieces of something in the foundation. Are they calling it a foundation? Yeah, they are. They're calling it a foundation. So when you call something a foundation instead of BB cream, I feel like the expectation for coverage is higher. So we will see. I know this is going to be a light coverage. I'm going to say right now, I don't expect to love this because I do like a more natural matte satin finish type of foundation, but we're just going to give it a go. Yeah, super light. Especially with a sponge is going to take away coverage, but I really don't like using my hands. And I'm not a brush girl, so we might have to just layer it on and that's fine. I would say this is great for running to the store, but I don't know when that'll be again. Okay, so this is one layer. It's very light coverage. It might be a little dark because I can kind of see it right here. It always looks lighter on the camera with these lights than it does in person. It literally just looks like my skin, but better. I guess I'll show you guys. So we're looking at this one layer. I have not been as good on my skincare as I would like to be, especially because I have all the time to do it. But sometimes when you're stressed, things slide, you know? That's life. Oh, she dewy. Oh, she is dewy. I'm going to use this Pretty Fresh concealer from ColourPop. It's a little bit light, so mine is in the shade Fair 07. We're gonna blend it out. Ooh, that's a little too fair. Okay, we're gonna have to mix something in there. I'm gonna put a little bit of this C2 from Revolution Conceal and Define, just to kind of balance that out because that's too bright right now. Ugh, I don't like that like you barely tap your face and it comes off, which I mean is to be expected. I put a lot on and this is a dewier foundation. Hopefully if we set it, it'll stay better. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids. We're gonna use this white Cut Crease Canvas from Revolution. This is in Halo, just because I want a really bright eye because we're gonna do pastels. I think that I'm going to contour a little bit with a concealer. This is Conceal and Hydrate. I have mine in 11.2. It looks pretty like golden, so I don't know how this is gonna go for contouring, but I might have chosen the wrong one. But because I need to put on a cream blush, I kind of want to get a contour laid down first. Yeah, that was the wrong choice, Shannon. That was definitely the wrong choice. It's fine. That's fine. We're just gonna keep going. I'm gonna do my cheeks so I can start setting stuff before I go in with my eyes. We're gonna use the cream blush in Sweet Innocence. Normally I don't use creams, so I'm a little nervous. Ow, 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 hi. You just knocked everything on the floor. I literally have blush on my hand and on my fingertip. And I don't think I can do this with you, so we're gonna try. Oh, okay. She blushing. She just purring. She just purring, just living her life. Okay, let's try the other cheek. Alright guys, this is a cooling glow stick in Opal Dreams. We're gonna try this guy. I'm not sure if it'll like pull stuff off, so I'm just going to rub it with my fingertip and then tap it on the high points of my face. I'm probably gonna add a powder highlight because I like super glowy, but this is a really good base. Oh, it smells really good. I think for like a minimal makeup day, like yes, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm gonna add a little bit of powder. I often don't powder. I have dry cheeks and I usually only powder my nose. This is the IT Cosmetics Celebration Foundation Illumination. The front looks really gross because I always set my, what are words? Eyelashes on it. So I'm just gonna set down here. I'm probably not gonna set this area. I'm gonna go ahead and contour a little bit with a powder contour because you guys know I love a powder contour. This is the AOA Studio Perfect Finishing Pressed Powder in Chestnut Champ-Massé. This will kind of correct that orange that I put on. What are they gonna style with this? I don't know. I kind of look like a hot mess, but it's not like I'm going anywhere, and hopefully you guys will still love me anyway. So let's keep going. I feel like I need to kind of blend this contour a little bit more. It's a little bit harsh, so I'm gonna take a little bit of Ravish, the Lumi blush from Champ-Massé. You guys know, if you are not new here, you know I'm obsessed. I'm just gonna put a little bit just right here, just to kind of blend it a little more because I feel like there's too much definition between the two. I'm gonna do my brows. I'm actually gonna use the AOA Brow Gel. I've really been liking this. I've been using it since the video that I tested it, my last tutorial. So I'm gonna put a tiny little dot on the back of my hand. All right, loves. We're gonna play with some pastel eyeshadow. I put another layer of Halo, the Cut Crease Canvas from Revolution, on my lids because I want it to be like bold pastel. I don't know. I hope that this lives up to the hype because I've seen so many beautiful looks coming out of this palette. Like when I saw it in the store, I was like, okay, whatever, like it's cute, but I didn't think that I needed it. But then I saw looks come out of it, and the looks I've been seeing are absolutely gorgeous. So, okay, I think I'm gonna start with purple. I think we're gonna do purple, pink, orange, yellow, maybe. Ooh, I don't know, maybe we'll do some blue and green on the lower lash line. I have not decided. It's gonna be pretty rainbowy. But we're just having fun. We're not going anywhere. What does it matter? So we're gonna start with this shade right here, whatever this shade is. And I'm just gonna kind of focus it out here. This. Just gonna pack it on and then blend it maybe. So I kind of placed the color down and now I'm blending it. If you can hear Queen hanging out, playing with some plastic, I'm sorry guys. I guess the only real pink is this guy right here. Okay, that one was like instant pigmentation though. Maybe I've done too much purple. I don't know. Not that big of an eye. Okay, we're gonna do orange now, which is gonna be this guy right here. Just kind of pat it on there. I'm gonna kind of blend it up a little bit because I think I'm gonna do a cut crease. I want to make sure that it's still there. I'm gonna go back in a little bit with the pink and layer that in there. I'm gonna go in with this mostly clean brush and kind of buff these edges a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and put a shade on the brow bone just to kind of clean it up. I think I'm gonna mix this shade and this shade. So the cream matte shade and the kind of the white matte shade and the cream matte shade, if I can speak. Just gonna tap off, just gonna pop that there. I don't know, we're gonna go for it. This guy. I guess it looks yellow on the brush. It's like a green yellow. Pack it on in there. I'm gonna try and put a little bit of this on my lower lash line. Okay, I'm gonna try and do this quickly while that's drying. I'm just gonna use this flat side. I'm gonna start with the lighter shade and work over. Okay, I think I want to deepen out the outer corner just a little bit. So I'm going to, I think, mix this guy with this kind of gray shade right here. Just a little of this, a little of this. And see how that goes. And like put it right in here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. Okay, we're just gonna go with this sparkly, oops, this guy right here. This shade is really beautiful though. I hope this looks better with a wing and lashes. Like, of course it's going to because everything looks better with a wing and lashes, but I am like struggling right now. Struggling. I think I want to take a little bit of this silver, just a little bit of the silver glitter right here. And pop it right here. Then we're gonna kind of dust it all over. So it's mostly concentrated right where the white meets the purple, but then kind of dusts in. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put on a wing and some bottom liner. I'm gonna pop a little bit of this black liner from Ciate on the bottom lash line. Just right down there, not a lot, just a little bit. All right, next we're going to use a new liner from Carity. I have not tried this guy yet. It is the True Black Millennial Ink Liquid Liner. This one is the felt tip. It's kind of thick, so we'll see how this goes. You're gonna have to like a dramatic wing to like this one. I think I'm just gonna do the outside with this and go in with a thinner one in the inner corner. Thinking maybe these are Eva, one of the new Shop Miss A lashes. These are, ooh, they might be a little too much for this look. I don't know. Oh, they're beautiful though. Oh my goodness, they are gorgeous. Look at those. I'm just gonna go with Jackie. I'm gonna be boring. Go with Jackie. These are my all-time favorites. These, I swear they go with any look ever. Again, Shop Miss A, $1.55. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some mascara and these and I'll be right back. Okay, loves, this is what we are looking at. It does look a lot better with lashes and mascara. I don't know. I don't know what I feel. I don't know how I'm feeling about it. Actually, first I'm going to do an inner corner highlight. We have this Shop Miss A pigment in Orb. It's just a white one. It's beautiful in the inner corner. ColourPop All-Star Face Setting Spray. I think I'm actually gonna mix these two. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of ColourPop Luster Dust in Strobe Glow, but then a little bit of the white on top. I don't know, just feeling it that way. This is my AOA F19. It's my favorite highlighter brush. A little bit on there, a little bit on there. This one's a little more goldy. I think I'm going to take a little bit of the white one too and pop it under the brow bone. Oh yeah. This is Orb. Sorry, the white one, Orb. But it has a name. Shannon, be nice. Just kind of blend it like that, but then bring it back because I like when it looks connected. Glowy, 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 glowy. It's a lot of glow, guys. I'm going to take my blush brush and just kind of blend it a little bit. I think I'm gonna do a hot pink lip because why not? I've been wearing these two together. This is the Carity, the Matte's Liquid Lip in Primrose Hill, and then this is NYX Matte Lip Cream in Paris. Just need to find a hot pink liner real quick. ColourPop Gossip. I'm not sure if they still have it. Probably not because that's how life goes with ColourPop. Ooh, that hot pink. And then this one's a kind of a baby pink. But we're just gonna finish this up. Okay, I have my lipstick on. I think I'm gonna put on a little bit of gloss. Just use a pink one. This is a Buxom one in Strut It. We're gonna call this good. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed something a little bit more colorful, a little bit more fun. Let's do some kind of final thoughts. The foundation, it's not bad. It's definitely not my favorite. I can see it kind of settling into lines. And of course I did add that powder on top. So that's gonna change it a little bit. But I think even before, it was a little too like transfer-y for me. Like if I can't like just kind of touch my face a little bit, I know we're not supposed to touch our faces right now, but like lean on something or like hug someone whenever that happens again, whenever we're allowed to do that again. The days, right? The days. I don't like when things transfer a lot, but I do think that's going to be really great to mix in with too matte of foundations to kind of balance them out or to kind of do as a base. I don't know. I think it's beautiful, but I don't think it's something that I will personally wear often because even just like running to the store, running some errands, whatever you're doing, I feel like it's going to transfer a lot. Maybe if you're not using as much as I did and you're just doing the one layer, it won't transfer as much. I don't know, but it was a little tacky. And I don't love how it looks. It doesn't look bad, especially far away, but like up close, I see it like in all of my lines. But again, it's not the worst. It's just not the best. I don't love it. I don't hate it. It's okay. I really like the highlight. I like the blush a lot. I can't wait to use more of these cream blushes. Super pigmented, a tiny bit goes a long way. This palette, not bad, not bad. I do think that for a pastel palette, it is quite pigmented and I love a pigmented pastel. So this was a good one. I'm trying to think what else to try. Oh, the Carity liner. Love the Carity liner. It's just really thick. So I feel like I'm going to use it in combination with other things. I covered the glitter really well. So that is a win. I just think that I wish it had a smaller tip. That's my only thing. Besides that, I really do like it. All right, I'm going to stop rambling. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what kind of look you want to see next time. Let me know how you guys are doing. I just know that I love you and I'm thinking about you. Let me know down in the comments how you're doing. I will talk to you guys soon. Okay, bye. What are you doing? Queen's down here chewing on stuff. Hey loves, today we're gonna play with I almost said music. What am I saying?